You can now easily store all of the data from your JotForm submissions inside Clinked by generating a CSV file for each form. This file will then automatically update with any new submissions. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to enable this feature and then how you can easily create a CSV file for each JotForm in your portal. First, open your JotForm account. Then go to Settings and click the API tab. Copy the key provided. Now navigate back to your Clinked portal and go to Personal Settings to find Integrations. Turn on the JotForm integration. Paste the API key into the box and select Activate. Now go to any file section inside one of your groups. When navigating to the top right corner where it says Upload Files, you will see the option to store JotForm submissions. It will display a list of all the JotForms in your portal, and when you select one, creates a spreadsheet of all the data gathered from that JotForm, then automatically updates it with any new data. I hope this tutorial helped. If you'd like to find out more about this integration, you can head over to our website at clinked.com.